Southern Oregon, we're trying.
I only got a little hammer, like that Dr. Maxwell, you know, Dr. Maxwell, hammer. Yeah, we got enough batteries. Enough juice coming from the oven. Oh boy. Don't make me wrong waving, right, bud? Good to hear you out there.
What a mess, what a mess.
Good in California. Hello around BX land. $2 bill. Can you hear me now?
Modulator base station, top of the 883, 51 with the wave.
Bakersfield, California, waving. Boeing 747, Bakersfield, California.
Radio cleanup, radio cleanup. Need a radio cleanup. Break, break.
Break, no condition. Boeing 747.
Over there, Boeing 747. Mopar over here around Kansas City waving.
Hello out there. Good morning or good afternoon to you. California.
Oh, out there, Vulture. Hey, Vulture, if you got a copy, Mopar, Kansas City looking. Hey, right back at you over there, Vulture. Have a good one out there. Just heard you in there. Wanted to wave a hand to you. Mopar, Midway, USA, Kansas City, back quiet.
I want to see what it sounds like after he's done with it, and then go from there.
Yeah, good for the Daytime radio out here in Bakersfield, California. Airfire footed 2, Boeing 747.
Downtown, heading to the lake. Heading to the lake this evening fishing out here around Riverside County, 613 the Mobile.
Roger, I'll see you online.
1137, 7, are you up here in Oregon? If you can hear me, I'm waving, sir.
613, I'm over here. Sounded good out here in the radio.
Hey, 10-4 on the Razorback for sure, man. Thanks for the contact. 613 Riverside County. Heading to the little lake to do some bass fishing.
Ratchet, Mobile, Sacramento, Cal. Ratchet, Mobile. Smoking out here too, big brother. Hey, ground wire. I've been hiding out all day, man. How about a channel 28, 470? 470 Central Cali break. Yep. Hello, 1137. Can you hear me now? I'm here.
Hey, 470, you're making it over here around Kansas City. 470, Mopar, Kansas City, waving.
What's up? How you doing out there? 470 Central Cali Valley.
Yeah, E25 calling. 51 in a large car.
Hello. How about a DX Land? 494, Mopar, Kansas City, standing by.
She's going to be crazy. That's why it's crazy. Father Time's on point. Mother Nature, she's crazy. And she's pissed off at all of us because we DXing all over her, keeping her scared up. Hey, shoot, now I forgot your number. Anywho, Texas Station, 470 Cali.
Hey, 470, I got any conditions around Kansas City? About at 470, Mopar around Kansas City looking.
Wow, DX Land. But so does everybody else, man. Everybody jumping up and down. Hey, Mopar, enjoy your day. Ratchet, Mopar. Hey, 65 degrees. That's pretty good temperature to make moves.
Yeah, oh, out there, Ratchet. Hey, Ratchet Mobile. Hey, Ratchet, I was trying to get a hold of 460, but I guess he's got his ears plugged up down that way. Hey, Ratchet, Mopar, Mobile, or right here in Kansas City, waving a hand.
Hey, Mopar, I appreciate the bump down, man. He's smoking out here around Sacramento, Cal. Hey, Mopar, keep doing what you're doing. I think Max is coming up. Mopar, Ratchet in the Mobile, Sacramento, Cal.
Hey, Roger on that, Ratchet Mobile. All right, man, you have a good one out there. I appreciate you keying it up and bringing it back over this way. 494. I'm back over here on the side listening.
You start playing your made of gravy on your that's that. What? All right,
25. I'm going to run back to my buddy out there. It might make a difference, but Mopar. 470, looking at you, breaker.
Kansas City from the west side, shotgun.
Yeah, oh, out there, 470. Hey, 470, you're making a trip over this way, man. I didn't know if I could get it in your receive down there. No, you probably had your ears plugged up. There's a bunch of them out there. A470 Mopar, Midway, USA, Kansas City, standing by.
Mopar, if you key up, all I get is you, Mopar. When you keyed up that first time, I was just like, thrown back in my seat, got away from the microphone. I'm just like, damn, if he just stays keyed up, I'm going to have to talk to my radio. But then you stepped back and you did your thing. Hey, Mopar, you're 20 dBs over a 9S unit. So you definitely have conditions, 470 Cali.
Yeah, copy that, man. I appreciate it, man. I got a little gate going here, too, man. You got it over there about 60 dB. I ain't quite ready to introduce my channel yet, but I'm going to start getting some video gates out there and see what I can do. Hey, 470, I appreciate it. Mopar, Kansas City, back quiet.
Well, hey, whatever. My gate's up anyways if you want to go check that out. And if you want to advertise it low-key, you could low-key advertise it on my gate, man, and I'll go check you out over there and check out those 60 dBs of me's. Mopar, dude. Loud-ass station. Happy to hear you today and this evening, at least in Cali. 470. Got down.
Hey, Roger, on that, man. Do you got it listed as 470 on the YouTube?
And twerking right there. My gate's rolling, 470 video gates. YouTube live.
Hey, copy that, man. I'll go over there and look for it, see what I can't find, no doubt about it. Hey, 470, let me get over here on the side and listen in. Mopar, Midway, USA, Kansas City, back quiet.
All right, bye-bye, Kansas City, Mopar. And I believe, 494? Am I wrong?
No, you got it. 494, 494, right downtown. I'm out.
410 on that. I wasn't sure, but I had the numbers floating around up in my brain. It just ain't as good as it once was, as the song goes. All right, 494, Mopar, Kansas City, 470, California station. I'm gone.
Check.
Hey, I just want to comment, man, on your station. That is one clean sounding station. Big Dog, Liberty, Missouri said it. We're going to get back out of your radio.
Hey, you sounding good too. You're a little bit over 20 dBs, over 9S units on my radio, so you're doing a good thing. And I appreciate it, man. You're sounding good too. I'll give some of those flowers right back to you. 470 off the key.
Hey, I appreciate the flowers, 470. Now we're just bumping a little 470.
10-4 over here, just a direct injected Cobra 29 running through a little bit of computer stuff. You pick your poison when it comes to that. And my homemade stretched 4-element beam.
Oh, check on the 4-element beam. We're running just a Joe Gunn 5-element shooting star on the flat side right now.
Yeah, that makes sense why we got a good connection right here. That definitely makes sense because you smoking over here, man.
Well, I appreciate it, man. I do appreciate those flowers. But I heard yesterday he's got the big maul, man. I'm a little maul now, so we're going to step back and listen to everybody. You have a great day, my brother.
You too. All right, bye-bye. I believe you said Big Dog. 470 off the key. And yes, your 7-element beam's working too, other person. Back wide.
Hey, check.
Hey, 470, I forgot that I already was subscribed to your channel over there. I'm going to go check it out later after when you get it out there and download it. I'm out.
No, it's not downloading. It's live. You can go check it out right now. And if you're going to go look at it later, the time on it is 2:41 p.m. So that gives you a landmark to go later on.
Yeah, copy that.
Just just go to YouTube, type in 470 video gates, and there should be a picture of a Cobra 29. And you can listen to yourself live right now. It has like a slight 5-second delay.
Oh, that's pretty cool, man. I never heard of it. I've heard of people doing it, but that's pretty neat. I'll check it out. Thank you, buddy. What?
No problem. Hey, I just wanted to bump it down one more time. Preacher Man, I'm not ignoring you. Hey, Preacher Man, I heard you out there in the Mobile in the swamps. Well, I don't know if you're in the swamps, but I heard you out there, Preacher Man, 470.
Tell Mo Big Dog said hello and throw me a 5, would you?
I'll try. I haven't heard him come back ever since Mopar was talking. But hey, Preacher Man, Big Dog's rolling a nickel your way. He's saying hello, howdy doody.
Twin what? Twin breakfast stride, 3 horses or what?
Yeah, no, I couldn't hear him. I couldn't hear Preacher Man come back. I even went back onto the flat, or to the big stick, see if he was polarized another way. But either way, Big Dog, you heard me. I tried, and I'm gone.
Thanks, Rod. Hey, thank you so much for taking that nickel and throwing in this dime for me, brother. Have a great evening. Sounds like we got some good Mother Nature in there tonight. Hey, what,
Walkie-talkie, 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 Land of Lincoln. I'm waving right back. You're sounding good. You're on top of the pile. 470. Break, break, break. I appreciate you sounding good. You got a good signal out here. I apologize if you look at the gate. There'll be a little bit of glitching. I'm right underneath my antenna, and there's nothing I can really do about that. And I have a solid, shielded, not coax, whatever that Cat 9 cable straight to the modem and everything, and I can't get around it. 470, California, off the key.
I stepped on your neck. Solid.
Yeah, wow, a little bit of Mother Nature in there in my mobile, Southern Cal, and my mud dirt truck. 665, 665, I'm telling you.
Bye-bye, walkie-talkie station 470, back, trimming the bushes.
Hey, Roger. Hey, Roger, Skip's looking for you.
I think you said 475 in Wisconsin. I could be mistaken on that, but you know I'm talking to you, because I said Wisconsin, and ain't no other Wisconsin stations in my nation. 470, Cali. To the Omni sound, I heard you loud and proud. 475 Wisconsin. 10-4, Madison, Wisconsin. You sounding good over here, too? You take care. Enjoy the holidays up ahead, and you be safe. 73s to you and yours, and all the other good CB things. 70 right on
Illinois. Hello, 313 Illinois, 51 with the wave.
California, 425, 425, California, hello.
Flying Squirrel, 470, waving right back to that Texas station.
Oh, boy. Start out the radio land, 666, 7 cars, posting here, the waving.
Hey, Flying Squirrel. I didn't hear anything you said last time. There's another big old station keyed up, man. But I just wanted to wave at you at least one time. And now it's 2 times. A Flying Squirrel, 470. Glad to talk to you one more time. Bye.
Getting up and I'm all up in you. Ain't no doubt about it. 169 radio, all up in your receive. You got a copy on.
No copy, no. Get back on that 313, 51 on the west side, not read the mail.
Central Texas. Hope you had a good day as well. 665. 31. Terrible situation. Definitely a good day to be on the radio. 665. Back in the bush.
Hey, 313, you got a copy on 470?
I saw Mater Gravy flying everywhere from that Jack Daniels. Country, Mayo Country wave.
Right on, brother.
Beep, beep.
Steve, hello to everybody.
Hey, are you related to St.
He just walked all over me. Roger, back to the cactus patch. Breaker, radio check, radio. Seven renegades, 702 with the wind. Calling for radio check, on copy.
It's working.
Well, it's working. Yeah,
Who's that throwing that big old DC?
It's me. I was just checking my dead key.
Hey, 10-4.
Let's jump me.
That do open up a down.
Come out, wherever you... Me? Who, me?
I think I lost that 513, but 513, but we'll see if we run there.
470 out here.
402. License and all.
I got a little bitty dead key.
31. Come out.
Why are you turning my meter all red when you put that dead key? You make the whole meter red. Half of it's green, half of it's red, and you made the whole thing red.
Well, according to the meter over here, it's a little bitty tiny dead key.
That was 30 dBs over 9. Shit.
The only dead key that you really need to push down the button.
That was 30 dBs over 9, but you were on top.
I know that's right, too.
Good golly, Miss Molly. That's all I gotta say. I could make that show up on my meter, but I'm right underneath my antenna. Shoot.
Northwestern corner, Mud Duck Mobil.
How about that Mud Duck Mobile up in the northwest corner? Mopar's waving.
No doubt about it, Matt Hatter. Seattle town.
Yeah, we're going out there, Mad Hatter. Hey, Mad Hatter, Mopar, Midway, USA, Kansas City's waving him back quiet.
Yo, waving back at that page. Buying the Mobile. Someday I'm going to have a big radio so I can talk out here too.
Someday. I think that's a song, ain't it?
You're still playing on your CD? You're still playing around on your CD radio? I've been out working on this truck all day and you're still playing on your radio?
Expertise in his own building. Going pretty back out. Got a copy of Georgia SoCal 949.
Yeah, it runs like a rape tape now. Let's get some fire.
Your phone number.
That's right. It's all about 178 and his barefoot radio, and I'm back quiet.
That's all I need is a barefoot radio.
That's all you gotta do. The Cobra Doctor.
That's right. It's all about 178 and his barefoot radio. Break.
I need to go get some refreshments. Oh, out there 178, I'm going to wave a quick hand if I can. Mopar, back quiet.
Hey, Mopar, big old wave.
Big old wave right back out there. 317, I'm out.
Roger that, Roger.
Didn't think my barefoot radio would...
That was a mess.
Anyway, Wild Child, thanks for the get back. Appreciate it.
Got rough and tough out there. It sure did. It got rough and tough.
How about that Wild Child? Hey, Wild Child. That Wild Child. 007 Ridgecrest, California. Try to wave a hand. What time is that Wild Child? All right there, Wild Child. I heard you out there. Just want to see if we bump down one time. Wave our hands this afternoon. You have a fine evening out that way. Can we do it again? 007 Ridgecrest, California. Wave a hand one more time to that Wild Child.
We all still need to get on with the sandbox, yo. Please, the guy knows, Mr. 007. Next time, a Wild Child. Lead on back. Wild Child, Bronx, Hawk, just northwestern corner, my duck mobile.
Oh, out there, Mud Duck Mobile. Mopar around Kansas City's waving.
Hey, how about that Mopar, Kansas City? That Mopar, 007 Ridgecrest, California. Wave a hand. That Mopar, Kansas City.
Got you in there, 007. Hey, 007, I heard you in there talking to, oh, shoot, Wild Child. Just going to wave a hand at you and get back quiet.
All right, people, have a good afternoon out that way. 73s, we'll do it again. Wave a hand. One more time. That Mopar, Kansas City.
Never had a skipper slam my meter.
007, you're a hammer out there. Hey, Vulture, I can't hear him, man. He's over in southern Missouri out there, man. I'm up here in Kansas City, Kansas. I can hear his backscatter. Hey, no problem about that, man. Yeah, he's, like I said, he's in southern Missouri down in that area, and I'm up here in KCK, so we're about 200, maybe 250 miles away from each other. Copy.
You're loud and proud like always. Have a good night, sir.
You're doing the same thing over here.
No, Wild Child, man. He's learning to hold right on through, but you can't hear this week with the vulture. I don't get it.
205, I see.
I think it's selective hearing.
Oh, no.
understand if you guys don't want to talk. I don't blame you. I wouldn't want to talk to them either. Big Country 805, South Murphyville. Big Country 805, South Murphyville. Hammer it down. Got a copy on 805 South Murphyville. 805 South Murphyville. How about out there at the expand? Come on.
805, I hear you over here in Kansas City, Kansas.
What was that, Kansas? You say Kansas? Come on.
Yeah, Kansas City, Kansas there, 805.
I don't know, Roger, but I know vulture, hello. Hey, who the hell is Roger?
Come on back now, one more time, come on.
I'm way over here in Oregon, hello.
Stuff on two-way, a little rough stuff on two-way, but hey, no pain, no strain. I'm in San Luis Obispo, California.
And I still want to know who Roger is coming in.
Francisco in Los Angeles, 10-4.
Roger. Well, about you, Kansas.
Copy.
Yeah, 10-4, yeah.
Yeah, I got a gallon of chocolate milk out there.
There's a picture like a...
Sweet.
but yeah...
Copy and paste that, man. I bought me a big box of that Nestle chocolate. A big box for $7.50.
Yeah, 10-4.
So I'm gonna be a big chocolate. Not to mention it's a big one of the vulture's imagination.
Yeah, but sounds being going to the ground. Yeah, I appreciate talking to 156. I appreciate you talking to 156. Most of the time I'm just sitting here staring at my TV like it's a TV, so I appreciate you. Yes, sir. So we do good. Good, my friend. Big Country 805.
Fucking porch monkeys. Fucking porch monkeys. Shut the fuck up. Fucking shut up, you fucking... No matter when you get turned into a porch monkey.
Tempo. 23.
Fucking porch monkey. Shut the fuck up. Porch monkey. I'm not a porch monkey. I'm a mud nut. Get right. Get right. Junkie, you're okay. Go back to channel 6, but I love you down there, you fuck. Roger on it. What he said? Monkey, shut the fuck up. You know what's really kind of... He said what you said. What he said, what that other guy said. I said too. That guy goes to... That ground wire. What's that for? Wave a hand. That ground wire. Fuck up.
What a dummy.
Heard you out there. I know. Hey, wait a minute. Joey's coming on there doing that. California is waving a hand. there, ground wire. Yeah, if you ain't having no fun, there ain't no sense being on the radio. You got it? You have a good afternoon out that way, 6-3. We'll do it again. That ground wire, 007 Ridgecrest, California. Wave in hand, we'll put that big ground wire. Put that wire.
Tijuana Border, gunrunner, Tijuana Border. Have a good day. For the Tijuana Border, adios, man. Feliz Navidad.
Hey, Snake Doctor, you got a copy on 507?
It's a mess out there, 77702 with a good evening wave. Happy holidays, my friend.
Obrigado. What's really going on out there, radio land?
Come on back to Bigfoot, 504
Break.
I'm ghost talking. Never mind me.
What you ghost talking for?
Yeah, I got a copy on you down there.
Somebody go back to the Tijuana Border. So many fine things.
Hey, guy, I got talk, man. I got somebody to talk to. Hello.
Out here in Southern Oregon, we got some rainy weather. I don't know how long it's been.
Gunrunner, Tijuana Border.
10-4, God bless. Be safe. Bigfoot, 504, we're stepping. Yeah, I got a copy on you. How you doing?
From here, man. Tijuana Border. Police,
Big wave back to you there, Breaker.
yours as well. Niki Maka. You got to buy you, brother. Have a good day out there, man. Happy holidays. Hope everything's well as well. Thanks for bumping it down. Gunrunner, Tijuana Border.
Yeah, 840, you're coming in here like gangbusters. You must hairpin antenna pointed right at me for sure. Thanks for the wave, 840. God bless you. Be safe, 504, we're stepping.
Preacher Roger. Have a good day out there, my friend. You mind to hear yours? Allah. Really? And from the Tijuana Border, Feliz Navidad. Preacher.
Yeah, 840, I'm just talking on a little Cobra 2000 and an A99 with a little bit of fire in the wire. And good old lollipop mic for sure. Yeah, 10-4. Well, anyway, I figure we're going to get stepped on here any second. I'm going to get out of the road. You have a good one. Merry Christmas. Be safe. 504. We're clear.
I like the Hollywood, low budget. Hello, preacher man. The value got you in there, man. Hello, low budget on the west side. Fire Stick Friday. That's what I heard. Hey, Roger, right on there. Low budget. Low budget. Hey, preacher man in the mobile. You have a fine one. You're 513 on the west side.
Ho, ho, ho. Triple one, Big Daddy, Big Still Cow. My ship got down. Audio.
Hello, T ground wire. Sounding good out here like you always do. Ground wire. Let the cracklings hit the floor.
Have a good day, 917. No doubt. Bye-bye.
Hey, Roger, right on, man. That reminds me. Okay, on the go, man. Is it not Fire Stick Friday? Oh, Fire Stick Thursday. I don't know what dang day it is. Come on now. Hey, Roger, right on, ground wire. Well, yeah, man, you be safe out there. If you don't get back in time, I'll see you on the weekend.
Have a good day. Triple one, Big Daddy, Big Still Cow. Talk to you. Bye-bye.
I locked. Hey, 973, little squeeze right here, you know, man. Hello. Low budget on the west side.
Big Still Cow. That's good. Got down. Bye-bye.
Hello there, Nail Driver on the Junkyard Station. Hey, Nail Driver on the mag on the Junkyard Station. Low budget.
Good day, my brother. Triple one, Big Daddy. Out good. Big Still Cow. Told you. Bye-bye. Gotta go back to work. Bye-bye.
I figure if I'm nice to Mama Nature, she'll be nice back. Hey, Nail Driver, man, if I'm nice to Mama Nature, she's usually nice back. Low budget on the west side. Central Cal. Hey, Roger, right on there, Nail Driver on that Junkyard Station. We're on the mag. Low budget on the west side. Read the mail.
Big Daddy. Out good. Big Still Cow. Told you. Bye-bye.
Roger, right on, man. We'll do. Hey, Nail Driver, ground wire around the Razorback saying hello.
Water in Chicago. No doubt. Triple one, Big Daddy, Big Still Cow. Told you. Bye-bye. Gotta go back to work. See ya.
Hey, Roger, right on there, Nail Driver. He said roll it back and turn it into a dime. Ground wire, low budget on the west side. I'm back out.
14, my brother. Have a good day. Gotta go back to work.
665, Uncle Elgin.
Green Monkey in the mobile. I just got out of my shit. Out of my shit, and I heard you out there. Have a good day. Merry Christmas. Don't want to bye-bye.
Honey, be good. And there was another guy there. 65, wave a hand to you guys.
Right on, Nail Driver. I'll see you. I'm waving my 4 fingers and my thumb, no doubt. Triple one, Big Daddy. I'm good. Big Still Cow. My ship got down.
We had a good day and a great weekend coming up. 665. Oh, it's all mother wish I had one more watt.
Well, you might say that.
And how was your fine day?
Yeah. At the inside of that.
Just one more dB and more reflow. Well, I have to admit that, man, I was just plumb lazy today. Yeah, you can't let your reflex go down, man. Can't do that. So no.
Yeah. I didn't get to take
One up there, 581. Help you all. 3 hours now. Going back to bed. I don't know. You know, I've been sleeping really good. At least I thought I had, for the most part. I sat down in the chair this morning after the fire was built, and everybody was gone. It was like 10 o'clock or 10:15, and I remember, actually, I got off a little bit after 1. Holy cow. Good weather, what a perfectly good day.
Well, sounds like it was the right thing to do.
You know, the right thing to do, get right up and start drinking. Had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to my first beer of the day, I'll tell you.
There will be no first beer of the day.
Well, there you go.
Well, I'm thinking, though, being the weekend's fast approaching, I will probably have to plug in the other box there. Because it's kind of chilly anyway.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna. Well, yesterday I was in the ford there, and I couldn't get across the river to you on my barefooted. What the heck is that? Oh yeah, it's my unit in Grant there. But
That's right. Smoke 'em if you got 'em. Gotta love the unit in Grant.
that's my most favorite.
Big 4x4 Dodge Ram. Right there is also a very pleasant radio to listen to. I gotta give me the one that Roger beats.
Got the best receive, I think.
Roger beats. Reflect, the echo comes with it. Just get you some echo, man. Your reflex will go back up, man. That's right. Yeah, see, I bet you got all kinds of reflex, man. See, that's what I'm going after. I need more reflex. Come back. It's supposed to smoke, man. What's it even supposed to do? It's supposed to smoke.
Baby driver, it'd be a hell of a baby driver. 2 tubes.
That's what I'm shooting for. Need some more reflex.
Burning coax. I prefer popping pills. It's a little more fun. Thunderbolt, 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 laying it down. Where'd you go, Slowpoke?